Welcome back. Vijay Mallya's ever-growing list of legal woes have only gotten longer now, with the Supreme Court issuing a fresh notice to Vijay Mallya, seeking a reply on a plea filed by his lenders alleging contempt of court. Ashmit Kumar, who was in the courtroom when that case was being argued, joins in now with the details. Ashmit, what are the bankers' arguments and how does this make things tougher for Vijay Mallya now?
Well, tougher indeed. The new battlefront being opened up here by the bankers. The bankers, we understand, have moved the apex court by way of a contempt application. What they're essentially alleging is that Vijay Mallya is in contempt of court. Now, the reasons, the grounds that they've cited are interesting. They've cited earlier previous Supreme Court orders which explicitly provide for Vijay Mallya to disclose all of his assets. That's the primary contention of the bankers, that the Supreme Court has made it abundantly clear that Vijay Mallya needs to disclose all the assets over which he or his immediate family might exercise control, either domestic assets or even overseas. Now, the contention of the bankers is that he hasn't come through on that assurance, that he's not been candid either with the bankers or with the apex court, that he's not furnished details, there's not enough clarity about his assets, and hence there can be no plausible negotiations over a repayment schedule. Furthermore, the bankers also add that even with respect to the payment that he received, the $45 million from Diageo, even that payment had not been disclosed, which the bankers claim is an indication of his malified intent. Now, on the back of all of this, they're alleging contempt of court. Now, the Supreme Court, for now, has taken a cautious view. It's not issued any orders or directions towards that end, but interestingly has agreed to hear the application and also, importantly, issued a notice to Vijay Mallya and has sought a reply from Mallya within 4 weeks' time. So we do await more clarity, but clearly a new battlefront being opened up.
Well, they may have sought a reply, they may have summoned him, but clearly so far Vijay Mallya doesn't seem like he's returning to India. Thanks, Ashmit, for joining in with those details.